Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the PIXEL Vocal Air wireless microphone system. Now, you may have already noticed that this looks a lot like the Rode Wireless Go, and I'm actually using that wireless microphone system right now. I use it for the majority of my videos. It's very convenient, it's affordable, but what PIXEL has aimed to do here is obviously undercut it, and that's because at a little over $100 US, it's literally half the price of the Rode product. But there is a difference. Even if all things were equal in terms of microphone quality, if I assumed that, which I'm not, this is working over UHF transmission, whereas Rode is working over 2.4 gigahertz. So keep that in mind. It has an OLED display, real-time monitoring, of course a built-in microphone, and you have the ability to hook up a lav mic as well. The battery's rated for roughly 6 hours. They're claiming 70 meters of distance in terms of range, and that pretty much rounds it out. Type-C chargeable. Again, just a very affordable microphone system, and if it works, and it does remotely perform as well as the Rode, or even come close, then it is a relative bargain. And of course, this was sent to me by PIXEL for review purposes. I've covered only one of their products in the past, which was a video strobe light, COB light, and it is a really good light, definitely comparable to, I would say, Aperture's 120D, so that says a lot for what they make. They tend to give us basically affordable, clones of products on the market, so I don't see this any differently. Little carry case, little dust on it out of the package. I don't think this has been on the market very long, but either way, nice to have a carry case. First thing we're hit with is the instruction manual. Makes sense. Little sign up to be a product tester, and then the units themselves, which I'm going to put to the side for a moment. Let's just check what else we get in the package. Cold shoe mount right here, which is always good to have. And then all the applicable cables. Let's pull them all out. Let's take full inventory of everything. That's everything that was in the box. So, first and foremost, we have our audio cable right here. And again, if this works well, I mean, it's always good to have options, and it's great that more and more devices like this are hitting the market. So this is a phone cable, is what they're dubbing this as, because of course you can use something like this when recording with a phone, real running gun shooting. That was the whole premise of the Wireless Go system. And the Comica that I have as well, that I reviewed in the past, is also a great piece of kit. Now the Comica does work over 2.4 gigahertz. It's not UHF, so something to keep in mind, but it reflects that in its pricing. Type-C to Type-A cable for charging, I presume. Let's see what else we've got here. I'm just ripping these open. I could have gone with a more sedate fashion on this, couldn't I? This looks like another Type-C to Type-A, so they're giving you enough to charge both of them. Yep, the run looks the same. And I was about to say last but not least, but we're not there, the lav that they include, which, I'm not expecting anything spectacular. You can always use a lav of your own choice. And then this last is a camera cable to connect it to a camera rather than, again, to a phone. And it's pretty much everything you're going to need in terms of AV connections. And then finally, what you were waiting for, the Vocal Air. So if I can get it out of here, yep, it looks exactly like the Rode Wireless Go. I mean, there are some nuanced differences. Headphone jack right there for monitoring, bring that into focus. Microphone jack for your lav of choice. And essentially we've got, looks like level buttons here. Bring that into focus, some level buttons, settings button. And we do have readout, charging port, power button right there. Let's go ahead and power that on. OLED screen for readout. This is the RX, the other is the transmitter. We have an RX and a TX, just like with the Rode Wireless Go. Difference here being that you do actually have displays on both units, so that's interesting. And there you have it. Looks like they're communicating already. You can see with the TX, we have the built-in microphone. I was mistaken before when I said that was a microphone port. I was a little confused. Correction now stands. So with the actual mic that I'm holding right now, you can see it's monitoring audio as I speak. We have the actual built-in mic, similarly to the Rode Wireless Go, then the microphone port for using a lav. So I stand corrected from my earlier comments. Power button, volume control right here. This should control the decibel level. Yep, I can see it increasing and decreasing, 14, 13, 12, 11. So yeah, just cycling through. And that is for your channel selection, Type-C charging port, and that's pretty much it. Now there is no dead cat or wind noise cut for this. That's something that, with the Rode and the Comica is something that you do get, but I'm very curious to see how this performs. Again, looks like the Rode Wireless Go, very similar in terms of build quality, the design with the little clips that do, I'm assuming, fit on a hot shoe, cold shoe mount. But always good to see affordable tech delivered, and it seems to be picking me up quite well. You can see those levels bouncing around as I put it to my mouth, and just as a reference point, I will take off what you're listening to right now, the Rode Wireless Go, and you can see that they are very similar, very similar. I'm going to lose you here, but just look at them. The footprint of the Vocal Air is slightly larger. And I just know you're not going to be able to hear me very well, considering I've taken off the audio. So it's clone-esque, but obviously not identical, but it certainly looks a lot like it. We'll see what performance is like. I will test it out. Hey, if it's good, this is a great grab at around $100 US. I'll include a link in the description. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe, and please stay safe. Later.